Mwancho muri tosa bukwabirase gutumana kweli yogiri kole nego komanya twe kyonga chinsa enye togogechaka korwase chinsemo chia Kenyanya asiritsukira rero mupisa cha mana we sub county ya Kenyanya Sireta Samson Onyancha nigesokia na kuli abamenye benseme ikomenya mono moremera gutuguterare amangana rengete bitina bagori omanane na mono mutinyo yegabu mutumukana boigo emeyega yesuguku no mwakomonya o 2025 forward rwa senchera yowekran
mimi kitu na wasii chua kwamba wewe ni kiongozi kwako, uwe mama, uwe mzee, uwe kijana ambaye uko na nyumba yako. Kitu nataka ufanye kuwa na heshima kubwa sana. Ukitoka kwako, chua kwamba neno naenda kuongea kwa wananchi wenzako ni jambo la busara ambaye linajenga Kenya yetu. Chua kwamba tuko na viongozi ambaye ni wakubwa wetu wakiongozwa na DC wetu hapa, Mr. William. Hawa kuanzia machifu mpaka kiwango nimesema, tafadhali toa heshima yako, heshima hiyo ya kudumu, na usiogope kufika karibu nao, kwa maana wako hapo kwa ajili yetu. Akina mama msikie sana, nyinyi ndio naona mkikuja ofisi mnaanza kuogopa, ile ofisi ni yenu. Hawa ndio wanatutumikia, lazima tuwe pamoja nao.
The biggest concern is kuna malalamishi mingi kule ofisini na most of the people amheshimu miti ya wenzenu. So most of the complaints zenye zinakuja kwa ofisi ni trees planted along the boundaries. Unapata kwamba mtu anakata miti ya mwenzake. I just want to encourage you to respect other people's property. Our current aim is to plant more trees in Kisii, and in order to do this, I want to encourage most institutions, and our target right now are farmlands and institutions. Help us allocate areas where we can plant more trees, and in order to attain the presidential directive of planting.
Vijake mago ira na gwika chinsemo chia county ya Kisii boige masemo kurase constituency ya Bonchari mulikyo itsukura chinsemo chio Daniel Ontiri nigatumanya litkuria rero eskuru ya maigelio yobo bwenia ya KMTC osagero wa Kisii nikobekirana AMS yemo ase enga ya Kisii Defa Orphanage asibasanga na barabwe suku ya genkyo bunenchire moyoko na kya ngabasangire na barabwo nabwo konyole bonsi nganere buya gosanga chinga kechiga chemeyega Turwa senchera yowekrano
abuna amatuka kwenya gusuka bosio bwemeyega yesuguku no mwako moya abo watani au nigo barabo barase chimbero asoko eneke buna keroyo mo onyorire yesuguku ngiya nabo bongega naborokigwa naborokia kurwase skuru yokoena na megirio yobonyagitari ya Kenya Medical Training College KMTC asoro sagia rwa Kisii abo emambia rero basibesa bali wika sensemo ya mesisita meariana asebonge ya Bonchari hase county ya Kisii asibasira enka ya Kisii Deaf Orphanage yebwata bana balia batabwati baibuli boigo bale no bolema au na muno bulia bugutaigwa
twabareteire ebituma chingende omochere chitishu amafuta chikaramu chianga chisabuni twaranga diato barate area Christmas mapema na barabu benchoi ekora gato chwencho inkaria na barabu banya wenchoi area
ukwana chinga kicho abateneri babo ni kubamenta buna eskuru iga nkobwatekana na magani yabo ao noko bansi hase birengo ao boigo na igo kugania nkororo ukubasira niga munencheremo yokoro kyo bwanchani na gusanga na balia batabwati
chimatre mbatakeire binte bingana no koragera. In fact buna twacha gaiga na bokoranga gendo ngeri bari ko lunch
talibuna nigo bwate binge.
As we are in Christmas mode, it's good to share. We don't have that much, but with the heart and the collections from the school and our fellow students, today we decided to share whatever we had collected.
Asense mwende ni kubaruese geto kuchia sabo wateni au kwene kibuna bagendere gusira chinka chia bana batabugati abayibuli anyanchiria chia bana balia abale no bolema au elina barabo beigwe wanchua konyora ekibakolia ekibakonywa ekibakobeka na sibakorara na mono chinga kichiga chokoro mwaka.
These children, most of the time, they don't have medical attention. So by this, as a medical student, so we decided like we should visit them in case we get some of them who have problems. We go and decide on what to do so that we get to know how to make them have that medical services. They reach to that medical services. They have had time, but I see they are struggling to make it all through.
I'm urging all the leaders, the local leaders, even the international community, if you can come and share with these children, also the NGOs, wherever you are watching us from, wherever you are hearing this voice, we are humbly requesting that you come here so that you can share with them.
Thank you very much for coming here to visit this school since last year and supporting these orphan children. He is very much happy for remembering this school, and you try to remember this school because it's for orphanage children. He is praying for you.
Ngoro muteregete seni kiagatembe kureiga se county ya Kisii leterane ngoro ku Daniel Ontiri
Yakegi maamuri kito Daniel Ontiri masema sorobotu rwa senchera yobo ikranwa gotogo tigara norungu kumanya bulenchera yamoyogo chengera obokalibwo morokyo mokoro asirita alfayo ongwae niga baliaso metina koro kiasabazu kamagega bombera na bulenchera yamoyoko mochengera nabigo kogokera obokalibwo asbamu bwatukerebye gwa au aseboigo barusege tuko chiasa borokiwa bande boigo kwega omubweka nobo nakoba naboigo nakoba ebyegwa balimu bali abo abakoro roboti rwa senchera yobekirano
abana bya abandi barure kona ruguru mwana mari asemwaru na abachukuru bali barororo yakima mwana ira mabera mwana ira abanda mabera nagiye ko gere kero bakumbuakire renta tukubwate sie njabodra mumenyera tego naenda mangana ya abana abayiga dabwo igombo da gutara ngai mbono kwache siri mirongo ibere bono kura ko ninda kura aya na uchirero mwandendire na bongendre ta komenya senge chenga buneye
dera ko mugako yo tari 1+1 igo nari ko karidia so visitebora echa anyo amene ko karaki amene tati tinteroro school igo nari ko kabuna ikobe na amenya korenga bitimbu ati simi naika Kubatisi na muganya marawa na manyanga na yete yara kuboka botuko daibu na lero to bwate kisimi kumuri nkuai wana aliyo ko ganyanga na ika gusi ntera itiru kera kuboka botuko lakini lende ni na kera ne gasia yare boko.
Really appreciate because of the good support to our from our teachers, where my father was one of them. He was very strict. And even where we've been working in the university today, you can really find me, I mean, ile mutindo vile Ronald amesema, vile Nduka amesema, I've gone to his school, he's a very strict teacher. I've gone to Roslyn school, a very strict teacher, all because of the good information we were given when we were at our earlier stage, and we were able to learn from our teachers.
Mwalimu Ongwae na ansomete 46 years ago. Mwalimu olengo muya olenga gotosomi olenga objective atosometie abantu twalenga abange sana kurwa bukuru nyamale tugaita tukaenda abandi bakanda failure schools and many of them are successful. Again tondanya ko ri abaminto na ekamo abantu baminto kare mwasomi babana baminto na tole gotokora ciasi town ya tole everywhere okonyora na abantu abange nembenyo tunana baigori banyori abantu babakonyeta. Again tondabanya ko basuguma abaminto kelina moteme kuro muntu nyasaye ka kwanyira sa gwikiri tema koiranira koiranira goko mai
no kumeka mako bya kutwalenga mura bata lakini batatu barabari ina arfaya na inche mumu hapa na rusa bali baga isaya na sasa na genda function yetu wakati ya sibon nayo kutulia baswa era gaswa saba kali nyamare akali gali geria enda katukiamia baswa mama skania na mabwa arwaye kuna agenda kusungu ka kuna goseri kwingiringwa atatu amanaro arwaye rema mumu akwe na ndi esenki maito chikuranda ige bya sebiyo tukashini kumi ngisa ifisi ngajinkanyoru muyi ya kange form yugo ali idikale form ya gutu district to jango sei sana form nga jujuri na ndoja yale to ai to isala sabato nikenori na isai na kitoko ayata tanaro na hindi ko taku churi yarwa arwa churi gente ai churi kayira basu da muyi churi an akambu na bokuru ya
Vyakegi maho manchu walingo kuira ya masa mwika ikiunga chigosoli asumuli kyo itomu rinsi yango hakutumanyanga nige timu ya Shabana ya yikura itimu ya KCB chigoli ibere asiriginali sagero asegoli ntangani ya vekuano mwakiengo ya Sirita Brian Michira asete kemeronge vere na kianda na wige ya kabere ya watu na Agustin Odongo oyibo iguru omo sayo mwakeke mwawe miaka 15 nevere ligabe kegoli ya kabere ya timu ya Shabana asetageka ya emerongo kianda nabo igogo ikraboni ko irera itimu ya Shabana ko namba isano asete boye ligi nene yense ya Kenya roboti urukura sumuri kito Marines yango
Etimu ya Shabana eyogwakera chinko cha chianga imegeti kya Gusii Stadium nigo lituko ya lero ya ikore timu ya KCB chigoli vera seligana ali sagero nigo banyolera igoli ntangani kurwa somo gosoria Brian Michira aseda ikaye merongebere na kianda negoli ya kabere nigo ya chakurwa somo gosoria Austin Odongo oyibo igo ya lengentunda entangani ko yagosereria etimu ya Shabana FC nigo egoli yo ya cha ekero gichinga kichiri chanyara ko ba chikomentwa maga yagosoli goika chidaika emerongo kianda nigo boigo mokocha bwetimu ya Shabana FC Peter Okidi au kiwana gokolia bya bwetimu ya asate banigo balene kerenga kiugo cha koimukia obonyangongo bwa mamerania.
Kwa majina ni naitwa Peter Okidi. Nasema tunashukuru Mungu kwa ushindi, tunashukuru Mungu kwa mchezo mzuri. So just go back to the drawing board and work for the next game. Nashukuru, nasema hii ligi haina ule anaongoza ama ule iko chini. Ukiangalia ligi is very competitive na sisi kama team ama any coach ambaye anataka kuchukua title, ukitaka kuchukua title lazima ule mtu wako juu yako pia unajaribu kumuondoa hapo juu. So tunasema ni game plan nzuri, tumeplan vizuri na I think imetupatia results. So sisi ni each game at a time, as we humble ourselves, each game at a time, then I believe season ikiisha kila mtu atakuwa na smile.
Nigo boigo musubati omochole kurwa Minnesota Hulda Mumanyi amono momnyoki egiata merimora baikira na segeti kya Gusii Stadium ase boigo musubati Hulda Mumanyi anyara kobaga korokyo kogokibwa gocha setimu ya Shabana ase kegima yanyara kobaga koita etimu yuera ita semesa ya mameranyo KPL nigo boigo anyara kobaga gukwana abune timu ya Shabana nigeganiri obokonyi elianne mono konyara kobaga kogendra okolyo bya ase
Great state of Minnesota, and I am here in Gusii Land in Gusii Stadium to really celebrate with Shabana, one of the best clubs in Kenya, actually in the world. Just gonna put it out there, and really support these young guys. They had already scored. I was like, okay, but then at the end there, the last couple of seconds when they scored, it solidifies why they're on top of the bracket right now. Super excited about looking into a couple of partnership programs. Maybe there can be an exchange program between the club over there and Shabana. Sindio? So that way they can exchange knowledge, they can exchange training tips, they can exchange coaching tips as well. But also, we want to make sure that this team is equipped, right? If we want them to stay at the top, we want to be able to give them enough equipment. We want to make sure that the players feel like they're valued by making sure that they're getting paid what they are worth and the work that they're putting in. And then also make sure that the coaches have the resources to be able to, continue coaching this team to maintain that top seat.
Nechinkoyo chinde boigo nigo chanyara ko bachiko gosori gwase weekend iga na sama merani ya FKF Kenya Premier League nigo timu ya Kakamega Homeboys ya kote gosori ya ene timu Ulinzi Stars ritukolega na makalia ya Masayemo timu ya Nairobi City Stars nerega kore gosori ya makalia ya Masayemo ne timu ya FC Talanta marashuge kai kore timu ya Kariobangisha segole ya Maseliga na Lisagero Police ga kore gosori ya egole ya Maseliga na Lisagero ne timu ya Gor Mahia na boiga timu ya Murang'a Silnigo ya kore timu ya Posta Rangers segole ya Maseliga na Lisagero FC Leopards ya Tringaran timu ya Sofapaka egole ya Maseliga na Lisagero na boiga timu ya Bandari ya kore gosori ya makalia ibere ya Seibere ne timu ya Mathare United. timu ya KCB ne timu etang'aina semesa ya mamerano ya FKF Kenya Premier League nabo iga timu ya Shabana nigo enyora libagali gusika gwika libagali ya gatano ase bona iga timu ya KCB babwete ne point nya choka ase timu ya KCB bwate point emerongo ebere na inya ase timu ya Shabana ibwate point emerongo ebere ginko reporter ya egeteseni kya getembe cheni gonkoro kwa Morin sia
ya King Mabaigo congratulations ago chase timu ya Shabana totikata sigo soli ni gabasa kora sebunge ya machoge ya chache babuligo wesokya wesona ni ase chigo soli bnenchere manyogo kora chinga kichabu yana na mono chinga kichiga chumutumoko motambe na nigo baya kwa na iga EMASE mukura segeti kyanyarenda ekigotoka se wodi ya Sengerabosoti ase baigo bali ngase minano bya liganiwa na Festus Gichaba orobote rwa senchera yobekrano.
So very busy for a while. Togocheza tuelusidia fiji scandal mbalimbali. Vijana vile nkali. Toko winika race. Vije vito join. Tusukume tournament. Bado tunao mheshimiwa kwa tuntovote morali. Na the next year tokipele yendo.
Nataka mheshimiwa angalie vijana wadogo. Our support at least na playing kids. Viatu at least ndio watanacha talents. So kwa mheshimiwa tunasema shukrani kwa tournament. Nawe akifanya hivi at least ndio youths wakuwe busy. Wasifanye vitu vingine vibaya wakiwa kwenye likizo hapa nyumbani. So mheshimiwa tunasema shukrani kwa tournament na tunafurahia kuparticipate kwa tournament ya mheshimiwa.
Furahia sana kusikia kuna mheshimiwa wetu Gichaba mahali. So I just want to say thank you again because we have enjoyed this holiday na naomba mheshimiwa uendelee kufanya hivyo.
Nabonda ile bageri wake romura ito Gichaba ngambia mono asenge nto tamire kukuza kitaranta moso eluse ya December niwe alenge rusere ntambe mono akirende obere kako tobe kabisi go na ile bageri kumwakera ngambia mono na tunga basaye to itabiranie na ane twagoki mono kenya samu echinguru na samu beko elindage andre kutunza kitaranta
nabono shikoli geti ekenge bwati chiportals kiroro geti kabisa maorobo monaro etentenero embulego tuyatere mageti. So we call upon the relevant authority, for example the national government and the CDF kit, to make arrangements and prepare this facility so that our young generation banyara seba wakiro mopira. Alafu shikoli geti ekende bwati baferio we don't have jukua saba na nje bakobera nabono shikoli geti kabanta bayikire geti kabisa mugasoba sambete mbabwati aseba koiga manone mburiso cyaka gotuto gotweru tumya ko kime gito koiga ma people abana bagera bariga banya konyora abantu bako babwata okoboko nabone we have identified the majority of them bale young generation go kina bona egwako mopira buya banyora babwata okoboko baso egunone bi kwende kilige chinga.
Some of the challenges to kwenda go emepira tegi enough yo kaderezo hizi kama yango chawa ke game alafu ngendo kende standards bakwani retie ground
Yake ima mwanchu mulendo cheche aptu kichitake mirongo ibiri na yemu ure chinsenye chimara kwa wale lero asante sana so kutubwatia EMASE yemo ikiunga kurutua chagete ibiri igoro chinsa ibiri igoro wikirabona iga noto kwa krimu sumari ya senchera abine kima togote inga asante sana sukirili wali anagoto chora mna station yago yoko koletera amangana maya senchera yobo ikiranu kurasa mwali manyeli ya kuruko Wilson Makori kurasa nsama ya kabiri ya studia kurunga kariri na igo mwaligani wa mangana ya kuro kwa oyo mintori kabuga nchen kuruko brand sagnisano you have a good night. Check on you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Much better when compared to the male students. My name is Jacinta Auma Aita. I'm from Keroka Technical Training Institute. I'm at the course of